I'm working on 2005 Hummer H2. How to install the struts, okay, that hold up your tailgate. What was happening, all right, is I've got my, Hummer H2, lift, and I'm opening it up, and it would just it'd be super slow, and then I'd have to come up like right here, and I'd have to just push it up all the way. Not the biggest problem in the world, but it just got really annoying. I'm walking back with my snowboard. It's been a long day. I've got groceries, or I'm trying to put something in the cargo area, and boom, it's like, dude, just go up. So how this works is you're gonna need a flathead to give you an idea of the flathead size. You're gonna come. Let me see if I can get over here. Right here, you see that? Let's see. I can't tell if it's picking up. Let me come over here. Right here in the middle, guys. There we go. You see that right there? My finger is right there. Put the flathead in, just pry it out. It'll ping off. All right, actually what happened is that as I was working it kind of just swiveled around. I was able to kind of catch it on the flathead, which is kind of cool. All right, so that's how you take that off. Big pro tip, ladder. You're gonna need a ladder, or family friend, whatever, brother, sister, uncle, grandpa. You're gonna need somebody tall enough that they can hold this thing up. This is no joke, man. You can get jacked up on this thing. I don't know how much it weighs, but I know it weighs enough to do some damage. You want to have a ladder that you can put underneath here. Actually, that ladder wasn't big enough, and it came smashing down. So get some books on top of the ladder, and you want to make sure that's all the way up there, because once you take one of these off, it's going to go. It's going to fall down. Once you did take it off, it was actually pretty easy to install. You can see here's the old one, and it just pops on. This new piece, this is like let me come over here. Again, I'm not the biggest fan of putting these Chinese parts on here, but the reviews are really good. It is a lot lighter, thinner. It definitely isn't as high quality as the OEM. Like this OEM, like this thing is tough. Like this is heavy. This is heavy duty. You could do some damage, man. This is the OEM part, right here. It's nice. This is a really nice part. It's old and doesn't really do its thing anymore. Just like the quality feels really good. I did come across somebody online. They said there's somebody in Germany that makes these, or somebody in England makes these. I'd much rather have that part, but I bought this part on Amazon for I think 25 or 30 bucks. It came 2 days. It's done. All right, and that's what I want it to be. So big thing, guys, make sure you have your ladder. I don't want you guys watching my my Hummer H2 videos and the Hummer beating you up. That's not good. That's not good. We're supposed to be having fun, not getting beat up by our cars. So if you're seeing this mess in front of me, I'm in the process, new window regulators, sound deadening the vehicle. I'm looking for some carbon fiber trim pieces. So again, the install took me about 20 minutes. Good luck. It's a nice upgrade. So let's show you guys how it works. All right, let's go. This is the fun part, right? All right, there we go. We're closed now. All right, let's have some fun. Boom. That thing just took off. Actually, if I didn't have this, let's do it again. Let's have fun. All right. Boom. That thing just flies up. Good luck, everyone.